Hey guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. Today, I just thought I'd come on and do some plant and seed terminology. You know, when I first started my garden, I was in awe of all the terms, and I would ask questions about different plants and seeds and dirt and soil, and I would get all these what I thought were fancy terms. And guys, this is not an all-inclusive list. There are more and more and more terms, and you'll find that as the longer you garden. But today, I'm going to start a 3-part series. And like I said, this is going to be about plant and seed terminology. But before we dive into the terminology, guys, let's get our yard work done. Come on now, we can't have a messy garden. Come on now. If you are not subscribed to Container Crops, go ahead, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll always get my videos every time I upload. Give me a thumbs up, and guys, don't forget to share it out. Share me out, share me out. Okay, guys, let's just dive right on in. First up is an annual, a plant that has a 1-year life cycle. Bare root. It's dormant plants that have been removed from the ground with their soil removed to preserve until later for planting. Biennial, a plant that has a 2-year life cycle. Bolting, usually the result of excessive heat or sun. It takes our plants to seeds. Botanical name, we all know this daisy, but the botanical name is Bellis perennis. Deciduous, a plant that loses its leaves every fall and winter. Dormancy, the period, usually winter, when a plant rests. Evergreen, a plant that keeps its leaves throughout the growing season. Family, just like our family, a term for classifying similar organisms. Fertilizer, it's food, guys, food for the plants. Fungicide, a substance used to control fungi. Genus, a term for a group of plant species that are closely related. Germination, the beginning of a seed's growth. Ground covering, those beautiful plants that grow low but spread out, usually 18 inches or less. Hardy, a plant that can withstand exposure to frost without protection. Heirloom, those beautiful plants and veggies that are at least 50 years or more unchanged. Herbicide, a substance that kills plants or inhibits the plant's growth. Humus, decomposed plant matter that has broken down in the soil. Invasive, a plant that is difficult to control. Native, a plant that is native to its area, like the iris, native to North America. Non-native, plants that are not native to its area, usually from around the world. Open pollination, seeds that develop and grow naturally through wind, insect, and soil movement. Ornamental, those beautiful plants that we plant because they are beautiful. Perennial, a plant that lives for multiple growing seasons. Pistil, the female seed-bearing organ of a flower. Pollination, the transfer of pollen from a flower's stamen to pistil, which results in forming of the seed. Seedlings, a plant that has just emerged from its seed. Self-pollinating, a term to describe plants that do not need pollen from another plant to produce fruit. Stamen, the male organ of a flower. Weed, we're all too familiar with this one. Weeds that plant growing where it is not wanted. And woody, a plant with bark or older stems that usually survive the winter and increase in size each year. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Stay tuned. Make sure you have the notification bell on so you'll be notified and won't miss any of the series. This is just part 1. This is a 3-part series. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I'll see you on the trail.